Welcome to the Center for Science in the Public Interest Applicant tutorial. My name is Lori Mitchell and I'm with a Common Grant application. And this is going to be a brief video showing applicants how to use our site to apply for one of the two new RFP applications. If you clicked on the link on the Center for Science in the Public Interest website to register, it'll land you on this page. I went ahead and filled out some information in advance. You're going to need to register on the Common Grant application site in order to apply. So you'll fill out your own information here and then you're going to click Register. You'll have to accept our user agreement and privacy policy. And then you're asked if you'd like to go to the dashboard or continue right to the application. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go straight to the application, but I will show you what the dashboard looks like at the end. So I'm going to continue straight to the application. I'm now in a draft application. You can see on the left-hand side there are tabs. These are the different pages you need to go through in order to submit your application. Currently, I'm on the Introduction and Application Guidelines page. After you read these, you can use the arrow up at the top to move forward, or you could have jumped ahead by clicking on the tabs on the left-hand side. There is also a back arrow. Anytime you enter any information on a page, you can use the arrows to jump ahead or the tabs on the left-hand side, and once you do that, your information will automatically be saved. But if you're going to be sitting on one page for an extended period of time entering information, I recommend clicking the Save button periodically. We're now on the Contact Information page. Any field with a red asterisk means it is required. If there is no red asterisk, it is optional. You cannot submit this application until you fill out all the required fields and upload all the required documents. So the next page after Contact is your organization information. This page has some text boxes. So for example, History and Mission allows 1,000 characters. As you type, you can see the character count goes down, letting you know how many characters you have left. Spaces are included as characters. Some browsers allow you to grab the bottom right hand of the boxes and drag them down to make them bigger. You can also cut and paste your answers from other programs such as Microsoft Word into these boxes. You'll then move to the Organization and Financial Information page. Then there's a Project Information page, a Project Description page, and a Documents page. Here there are two documents you need to download, fill out, and upload below, along with some other documents as well. So for example, if you want to upload your financial statement here, you're just going to click on the Upload button next to that name, browse your computer, find the file, click on it, and click Save. It doesn't matter what page you're on. If all of your information has been entered that is required, this Submit button will turn green, and you can submit your application. But right now I do not have a Submit button, so I can check my work by clicking on the Preview Check Application button. I have a big red Not Ready for Submission, which clearly I have not filled out all the information correctly yet. And there's a reason box below. So for example, on the Contact Information page, my first name is empty. I can go back to by clicking on the Contact Information link here or here and go back and correct it. And as I said, no matter what page you're on, once all the information is correct, this Submit Application button will turn green. You can submit your application. You will receive an application number on your screen. You will receive an email confirmation letting you know your application was successfully submitted, and you can find a copy of your application from the dashboard on the Grants tab, which I will show you in a moment. You do not have to finish this application in one sitting. Every page has a pause button. You can pause out of your application, which takes you back to the dashboard. You can log out in the upper right hand corner, and when you log back in, you see you have a Resume Draft Application link and an Exit Draft Application link on your dashboard. If you click Exit Draft Application, you do not lose any work that you've entered. You've just removed that you've been working on the draft. If you did that by accident, you will click on Start Draft Application, which there will be a link here on your dashboard. You will select the Center for Science in the Public Interest and go back into your application. Or you can go to the Center for Science and the Public Interest website and click on their login link. That will take you directly to your login page, and then you can go directly back into the application. As I mentioned before, if you'd like to find a copy of your submitted application, you can find it here under your Grants tab. So if you log back in after you've paused out and you'd like to go right back into the application, you can just click on your Resume Draft Application link here. If you have any questions for the Common Grant application, please do not hesitate to contact us. Good luck with your application.